I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me.
So for these ice cubes, you're gonna need 2 potatoes, 3 tablespoons of lemon, or 3 to 4 you can use, 1 tomato, and a beetroot. Yeah, that's all for now. So all of these ingredients you're gonna be using today have natural bleaching properties, and they will help to reduce your dark spots, any blemishes you've got. Yeah, so I'm a person, I love using natural products. I will also be posting many other videos where I've got like natural kind of recipes I use on my face, on my body. They've always helped me throughout with my skin, and yeah, I think natural products are generally the best thing to use. So as you guys can see, I've got some extra mixture left here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be applying it on my both my arms. Here you can apply it on the rest of the body as well if you want, but I'm gonna apply it on my arms, and especially this part of my arm. You know, it's really good for bleaching properties. So yeah, let's get started to apply this on the face. After 1 hour I will be using these. Now I'm gonna put this in the freezer.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it.